lovely people, welcome back to my channel. My name is LAKEY. If it's your first time joining me, I make vlogs and things like that. This is not a vlog, obviously, as you will have seen in the title of the video. It's a mini haul from IKEA. So if you don't know what IKEA is, it's like a home furnishing and decor store. It's Swedish, and yeah, it's everywhere. It's worldwide. In South Africa, I don't know if they've introduced IKEA, but when I was still there, I didn't know about IKEA. I'd seen it only on vlogs, like on YouTube and stuff. Well, not vlogs, hauls, I guess. Anyway, so I recently moved into a new home, and I thought, you know, it came fully furnished, or comes fully furnished, but I thought I needed to add a few personal touches to it, you know, to turn it from a house to a home and make it more comfortable and to my liking. So you will have seen in the weekend vlog, my last video, that we went to the store to pick up a few items, but I had I think 2 weeks before that ordered some stuff online, which I'll show you at the end. But what I'm going to show you now is the stuff that I got on not online, in the store. The stuff that I got online, I filmed an unboxing of, so I'll add that at the end of this, what I have to show you. So the first things I got in store are not the cushion covers that you see on the couch, but the actual cushions inside. So these cushions are actually quite big. They're 50 by 50 centimeters. I don't know, I felt like that's bigger than usual. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yes, this one is more of a what's the material? It's like, it's just a soft material, and this is more hardy, this one over here. I also got a white one with some gold dots on it, but I don't like it for the couch, so I'll probably use it in the bedrooms. And then I got this throw as well that you see here. That was online as well. So I just thought I'd start with those since they're right here. Okay, all the stuff I'm going to show you is in front of me, so I'm gonna have to bend down the whole time. I'll start with this one. It's just a simple baking tin. I think I'll add in the descriptions how much the stuff costs. Like if you're in Korea, you can order it online or at the store. This is just a big baking loaf baking thing. Like what I thought when I got this, I thought I'm going to try and make like banana breads and stuff like that. I'm not much of a baker. I love cooking, but I thought since I have an oven now, like a built-in oven, that I would start baking. So in Korea, you don't usually get ovens, built-in ovens. So it's like a new thing that I'm excited for, which is why I got this. And then sticking to that theme, I got like a muffin tray, and then I just got these measuring spoons for baking as well. I guess I can also use them for any ingredients that call for, you know, tablespoons or whatever. I usually freestyle when I cook. Okay, and then I got these round things here. I'm not really sure if they are what I am going to use them for. I'm going to use them as coasters. Whether or not they're coasters, I'm not sure, but these ones, as you can see, are open. Because they've been used, they came like this. I got 5. And we use them as coasters. They're quite big, but they're cute. So yes. And then I got this bowl, which I plan on using as a salad bowl. It's like got a white finish on the outside, and then inside is, I don't know if it's real wood, but it's got a wood like finish on the inside. Made in Vietnam, it says. It seems like a lot of the stuff is made in Vietnam. Let me see. Oh, Philippines, made in the Philippines, this one. Oh no, made in China, but it says Philippines on the inside. So yeah. Okay, and then let's finish the kitchen stuff first. And then we got these really nice wine glasses. I really like this part over here. Like, it's very different, you know, it's not like the normal round bottom. I don't know what that part's called of a wine glass. So I thought it was quite cute. It looks like something you'd find in like a nice restaurant. So we got 6 of those. Got a box of those. They came like that. Oh, let me pick them up carefully. Like that. And got 6 of them. So I did say I got these a week ago, but I've left them in the packet because I knew I wanted to film this. And I thought if I wash them and put them away, I'm gonna forget what's what, and then I actually make the haul, not remember to take some stuff out. That's what I thought. Okay, and then I got this runner type rug. It's just like a beige colored one, same material as this cushion over here, and I'll show you how I'm going to put it. I think I want to put it in one of the bedrooms, a guest bedroom, to make it, you know, cute or whatever. I really like this. It's really soft, not too heavy, and then it's got the rubber on the bottom to make it not non-slip. Okay, and then, oh, I skipped that part. And then we got a bunch of hangers like this. I think we got five like this. I slowly want to phase out plastic hangers and just have a uniform sort of feel, have them all wood. So started with like 5 by 5, so 25. I think I probably realistically need like 100 of these in total. Okay, and then I got these really cute wooden figurines. I don't know, maybe they're a little bit creepy, but I thought they're so cute. Like, I plan on putting them on one of the walls as like sort of display or decor. So there are 2 shelves on the wall, you'll see, and I'll just maneuver these and make them, you know, like, I don't know, position them and then put them on there, just to have, because I have a lot of plants, but I don't want to have plants on every single shelf. So I thought instead of plants, I would put these there. Okay, and I got 2 of them, like I said. And then I got some dish towels or dishcloths, difatuku times, I don't know if it's 1, oh my goodness, no, 4 times. Oh my gosh, I thought, because I originally thought it was 4, and then I looked at it and I thought maybe it's 1, but it says 4 times, so 4, I guess 4 in here. But is it 4? I'm gonna open this and confirm, because I think I'm gonna be quite upset if this whole time I thought it was 4 and it's not. Okay, it's 4. Yeah, okay, it's 4. So they're all different patterns, but just black and white, not white, off-white. So these are just normal dish towels. Let me open it so you can see nicely. Quite big, like that. What are the dimensions? I can't see right away, but yeah, whatever, standard size towels, like normal size, you know. And not the last thing, but the last thing in front of me is this woven basket, which I'm going to use as a fruit basket. I've been using it. I had bananas in here, but they're all ripened and I had to take them out and freeze them to use as in my smoothies. So this looks really nice on the counter though, and it just goes with like the aesthetic I'm going for. As you can see, all this stuff is like natural tones or earthy tones, and then there are blacks and whites, and because I love gold, I want some gold accents as well, but I have nothing gold here. I'll probably like get some pot plants that are gold. I did think about spray painting these gold. I don't know, what do you think? Let me know, because the shelves are wooden and then it's just gonna look too wooden. So maybe to have them stand out, spray paint them gold. Let me know what you think about that in the comments, please. And I have this in front of me, but I think I'm gonna show it in the end, in the unboxing. Is this really big watering can. It's so nice. I love it. It's so cute. It's so different, and like you can use it as a decor piece too. And then because I talked about that, I thought I'd share with you this one. It's so cute. I have had this one for a while though. It's really small, which is why I bought this one. But random fun fact, I found out from a girl that I went to high school with, shout out Alex if you're watching this, because she says she likes my videos and she watches them, that her friend designed this. Alex lives in Sweden, so her friend works for IKEA and designed this. I don't know, I thought that was really, really cool, so I thought I'd share that with you. Super random, I know, nobody asked me, I know, but I think that's cool. And that is it. Okay, and then also the plant, I'll just cut to the plant now. Yes, the plant is outside, and for now anyway, because I haven't repotted it, and I'm going to repot it in a nice pot plant, a nice planter. Yes, what's it called? Yes, it's a plant pot, not pot plant, plant pot. And then make it my main lounge plant, because I have the same plant, but I didn't look after it nicely, I think last winter, or didn't get enough sunlight or whatever, and that's because I didn't know what the plant was called. And that's another nice thing about, so the plant is from IKEA and it says what the plant is, so, and it also gives instructions on like the sunlight it needs and amount of water it needs as well, which is really nice, I think, because say like the plant shops here are Korean, and they might, obviously if you ask, the man that I buy my plants from though, he speaks English, and I think he kind of did tell me how to look after it, but maybe I forgot. And it's just better to know what the plant is called, so you can just Google the instructions on how to look after it. I think any plant moms out there, plant dads, don't you agree with me? That's what I think. And so that's the end of the haul. So you guys, I managed to lose my unboxing footage. Unfortunately, I can't show you the stuff that I bought online, but I hope you enjoyed what I showed you anyway. And don't forget to subscribe.